Hello everybody. Here today we are going to discuss about the line command and the polyline command. So today we are discussing about how to draw the line and polyline and what the use and the command which are used in the Autocad. So I am Ravinder Pal Singh and you are watching the Make Easy classes. So before going to discuss the line and polyline command, you need to set up the units view and enter, and then you can select the either architectural, decimal, or engineering. Now I am selecting the engineering, and you can set up the precision. Uh, this is the precision exactly I am looking or I am selecting here. Okay, and you can in the scale the inches you can set it, and now press OK. So there are two methods to start the line command, either by selecting the line tool in the draw panel. Okay, so you can start the line, or also you can start the line command with the help of L enter. Now you see that in the command bar it is asking that specify the first point. So I am specify the first point in my working area. Now you remember that when you are doing some modeling or making some object in your AutoCAD. So always dynamic input is on. So if your drawing is in either horizontal or vertical direction, you need to select ortho on. Now when you select the ortho mode on, your cursor move in horizontal direction or the vertical direction only. So I want to draw the rectangle 30 feet by 25 feet. How to draw it directly? You can give the 30 feet, okay, and again you can give the 25 feet, okay, and then again the 30 feet, and again give the 25 feet, and you see that a rectangle is to be formed. Now I want to another use of the line. If I want to draw a line in the in any angle, so in that case how to draw the line? So directly you can start the line command and click anywhere in the drawing space. So now in this time I want to draw the 30 feet line at an angle of 25 degree. So either you can draw the line with the help of tab key. So press enter. You see that how to use the tab key. When you press the tab key, your digits and the angles are selected. So here I am giving the 30 feet and press tab key and press the angle. Now in this time I want to create the 30 feet line at angle of 35 degree. So you press enter. You see that your line has been created at 35-degree angle. Now I want to draw a 10 feet line at any angle 90 degree. So just tab key and 90 degree. So you see that your line is created at an angle 90 degree. Now I want to draw a line uh, that is 50. So again you press the tab key and press a 20 feet line at angle 145 degree. So press 145 degree, and you see that in this way you can create the line at any angle. So another method, you can draw the line by using the polar coordinate system, and again I am selecting a line, okay, and you press anywhere in your drawing area, and I am giving this time the at the rate 30 feet inches line at the angle less than, press the less than sign, and at the angle of 30 degree. So you can see that. Similarly you can again at the rate 20 feet long line at the angle less than sign, you press, and angle now I am taking here the 125 degree. So then you see that your line is to be formed at the angle of 125 degree. So now again I want to draw another line uh, at any angle at the rate 15 line 15 feet line at the angle of 75 degrees. So you press enter. Now again I want to draw a 20 feet line at the angle this time 185 degree. So you can draw the line at 185 degree angle. So in this way you can also draw the line, and another method you can also draw the line with the help of tracking system. If your angle is in the default condition either 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, so just you can directly draw the lines in the particular or the default angles. Just I am clicking here the this default angle system 30, 60, 90 and 120. It is possible through the polar tracking system. So just here the specify first point. When you specify the first point, the tracking is showing with the green line. Now I want to draw the 30 feet line at the angle of 0 degree. So you not need to give the angle, and you can directly press the enter. And now in this time I want to draw the line at the angle of 60 degree. Now I want to draw the 40 feet line at the angle of 60 degree. You can directly press enter, and then in this time I want to draw the 15 feet line at the angle of 90 degree. Then you press enter. So now in this time I want to draw the 12 feet line at the angle of 135 150 degree angle, sorry, 150 degree angle. Then press enter, and now again the line I want to get it 14 feet at the angle of 180 degree. Then press enter, and in this way you see that when the polar tracking is showing, now this time the angle is 210 degree. So I want to draw the 13 feet line at the angle of uh, okay. So in this way you can also create the line with the help of polar tracking method. So now we want to learn about the polyline. So how to draw the polyline, either by using the polyline icon which is also in the draw panel. So basically the polar line is to be created with the help of coordinates, or directly you can create it in your drawing. So just you see that how to use it. Sometimes the coordinate is given or in the points are given on the drawing area. Just like that we are creating the some points, and here the specify points in this way. In this way, so I want to draw a polyline by directly you can use. Also not only straight line, you can uh, draw the arc also. You can also by draw the arc. And let's try to give the line again, and you see that. And again I want to draw the line, and now in this time again take the arc. So you can, and then press the line again, and you can directly and again give the arc. So this object is to be formed by using the polyline command. So what is the difference between polyline and the line command? You need to understand it. So by using the line command, when you select it, that is not a single object. It is a collection of more than one object. Just you see that here it is the six object, not a single object. Here you see that here this is not a single object. This is a four object, and the rectangle is formed with the help of four lines, not a single object. But when you select the object with which is formed by the help of polyline command, that it is created in the form of single object. So it is the major difference between the line and polyline. So only the line command you can only create the lines, but in the with the help of polyline command you can create the arcs, widths, and so many different way you can create the object. Okay, so I think so you get the idea about the line command and polyline command. So thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you very much.